Hello everyone. Welcome to our team presentation Capstone project. We are from team C242 PS193 will show you our product and application about take care of your health start from the fingertips. We name it DiaCare. So this is my all comrades who have the same thoughts and goals, resulting in the creation of this application. With me Surya as the opening of this presentation, what kind of content we will be discussing. So there's a background, reason, result, implementation, and documentation. So no wasting the time, let's check it out.
What is diabetes? Diabetes is a chronic disease that is on the rise globally, including in Indonesia. The disease can cause serious complications if not detected and treated early. Also, public awareness of the importance of a healthy lifestyle is increasing. There are still many people who do not have easy access to early screening services to detect diabetes risk. What's more, the early signs of diabetes are often difficult to recognize without specialist tools. Therefore, innovative solutions are needed that can help detect diabetes risk easily and quickly try non-invasive approaches, especially in areas where medical access is limited. Well, in this slide, we can see that diabetes can affect a person's nail condition. Usually, this disease causes nails to change color or texture. Nails in people with diabetes often look thicker, brittle, and even yellowish. This change occurs because of problem with blood circulation that is not smooth, so that nutrition to the nails is also disputed. In education, diabetes also increases the risk of fungal infection in the nails, which warrant the condition. So this nail condition can be one of the signs that should not be ignored. Well, from the result of the 2021 analysis, Indonesia ranked 5 in the country with the most diabetes sufferance, while the country with the sufferance most diabetes is China, reaching 1040 people. And the second is India, which is 74, and Pakistan, and so on. In the table next it too, we can also see that diabetes sufferers in Indonesia are increasing every year. This makes us have to maintain our health from an early age to avoid this.
Okay, there are three reasons why we want to build this application. First is limited access to early screening. Traditional diabetes screening is often complex, requiring blood tests, clinic visits, and specialist tools that may find intimidating or inconvenience. Our application simplifies this by using noise analysis through a smartphone camera, making early detection as easy as taking a photo and encouraging proactive health checks. Second is unnoticed symptoms. Diabetes often progresses unnoticed with subtle changes like nail discolorations or brittleness dismissed as minor issues. Our app identifies these overlooked signs, helping users recognize potential risks early and take timely action. Third is lack of practical detection solutions. Blood tests and other methods can be invasive, costly, and time-consuming. Our app offers a non-invasive, affordable alternative with nail-based analysis, enhanced by a chatbot that provides personalized insights and guidance for better health management. Diabetes causes a decrease in energy levels, affects cognitive functions, and increases the risk of complications, such as heart disease, kidney failure, and nerve damage. It can also lead to severe pregnancy-related issues, including gestational diabetes and preeclampsia. Great awareness is needed among the younger generation to prevent and manage diabetes effectively, ensuring better long-term health and reducing the risk of complications. Compared to other similar apps, DiaCare has more features, from camera detection, chatbot, story, and even articles.
Okay, next is the result of the DiaCare application. This application is designed to help users maintain their health practically. The diabetes detection feature make it easy to detect diabetes through image analysis, while the story detections or examination history for health monitoring. Just present the latest information and chatbot make it easy to interact and provide health guidance. DiaCare offers a practical and affordable solution without having to go to the hospital. Next, let's discuss the tech stack used in the DiaCare application. For machine learning, we use TensorFlow and Python for the detection model, Google Colab for code processing, and Visual Studio Code for development. In cloud computing, we use Google Cloud and Firebase for storage and authentication, with Postman for API testing. For mobile development, we use Kotlin and Android Studio for app development, Figma for UI UX design, and RetroFix 2 for API integration. This tool ensures DiaCare operates efficiently and is easy for users to access. Okay, now we will discuss the implementation of machine learning in the DiaCare application. We use YOLO as a pre-processing method to detect and crop the nail area in the image. After processing, the image is analyzed with a TensorFlow-based CNN model to classify the condition of the nail, whether there is an indication of diabetes. The model was trained for 20 epochs, achieving a validation accuracy of around 95%. The graph below shows an increase in accuracy and a decrease in loss during training, indicating that the model is getting better at classifying image.
Okay, so here I will explain the main stages of mobile app development. The first step, design and prototyping. Next step is the making UI UX stage in Figma. The third step, I.e. making the application through coding. The last step is API integration of to the application. Okay, next I will explain the flow of cloud architecture that support our application. Starting from the beginning, i.e. user accessing the application via mobile. Next, data sent to Croton API. Next, the Croton API communicate with the cloud service, be it cloud storage or cloud firestore. Once the data has been processed or the request has been executed, the CloudRun API sends a response back to the user device. Now I will explain an overview of the system that we developed. So the system accepts two types of input, namely nail image and text. Firstly, if the input is a fingernail image, then it will detect the possibility of diabetes based on visual analysis. Next, the input data is processed using the diabetical model. The result is an image-based diabetes prediction. The analysis result of this model provides an initial diagnosis regarding the possibility of diabetes. The second input data can also be text. For the text input, the data is processed by the chatbot model. The output of this chatbot system will provide answer or suggestion based on the text input from user.
Let's take a look at the next feature that we aim to develop in your application. First, the chatbot feature. This is designed to be an interface space where user can ask various questions about diabetes. The chatbot will serve an reliable assistance, providing instant response to queries about symptoms, statement, and lifestyle tips, ensuring a user will guided at all times. Second, there's news feature. These features will deliver trusted and up-to-date news related to diabetes. User will find current article, the latest research findings, and health tips are the signal to help turn style information and proactive in manager their health. Three, the history feature. This will be a dedication space for user to store and review their past image prediction result. It is not just a record keeping features, but a valuable tool for taking help percent of over time, empowering user take me informed decision and consult their healthcare professional effectively. These plan filters aim to enhance the user experience, making the application as healthy solution for diabetes management and education. Next is market research. The diabetes device market in Asia Pacific is expected to reach a projected revenue of 11,876,500,000 US dollars by the year 2023. Compound annual growth rate of 9% is expected for the diabetes device market in Asia Pacific for 2024 to 2003. The global diabetes care device market size was valued at 20 billion US dollar in 2020 and is projected to reach 8 billion US dollar by 2003, growth at a CAGR of 6.6% from 2021 to 2003.
Okay, the last one is documentation. The first one is your product roadmap. It has planning and design, where it includes research, define the core feature of the DiaCare app, design UI UX, design and application framework. And next, build the application, which is implemented by develop model using CNN and MLB, creating API for DiaCare app, integrate with model device. Then launch the application, just like release final application and promote the application. And the last step, testing and refinement, which is evaluate application, resolve the issue and bug. Okay, and then in here, we implementasi the design into the application. Previously, in this application, I use navigation to move between page. You can see at the beginning, there will be a supply screen, and then I create several features. There is a home page, image detection, camera, which is the main feature, and news, history, and chatbot. In the main feature of this camera, there will be more action, namely image verification after we take picture from the camera and detail detection to find out the result on the classification or prediction of your health. And here, you can also save the detection history by pressing the save button.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. You watched until the end. That is the end of the presentation. I hope you enjoy the video and don't forget after this, try our application DiaCare. See you next time, guys.